Be impatient. It will create the progress the world needs. If you don't fail sometimes, you are not being ambitious enough. Most of how life plays out is up to you. Good companies do whatever it takes. We try to work on things which billions of people will use every day. Focus on education is a big strength. I want to see young people focus on creativity and take more risks. You might fail a few times, but that's okay. You end up doing something worthwhile which you learn a great deal from. In life, don't react, always respond. Let yourself feel insecure from time. It will help you grow as an individual. As a leader, it is important to not just see your success, but focus on the success of others. It is important to follow your dreams and heart. Do something that excites you. Keep pushing your limits. India has long been, an exporter of talent to tech companies. But it is in India that's now undergoing its own revolution. A person who is happy is not happy because everything is right in his life. He is happy because his attitude towards everything in his life is right. Wear your failures as a badge of honor.